Shakshuka is one of the most famous Middle Eastern dishes that is literally on everyone's lips nowadays. Shakshuka is a very simple dish. It's basically poached eggs in tomato sauce. It's a popular dish for breakfast, brunch, and lunch that comes together in no time. Let me show you how to make shakshuka the Middle Eastern way. If you're new here, my name is Katie, and this channel is all about sharing my passion for delicious Middle Eastern recipes, food traditions, and culture with a special focus on my beloved country, Jordan. Before we get to the recipe, let's have a quick look at the ingredients. Eggs are the key ingredient for shakshuka. These will be cooked in tomato sauce. For the tomato sauce, many people use canned chopped tomatoes, which makes this recipe more convenient and faster. Diced red bell peppers add to the taste and texture of your dish. Onion is the base of your tomato sauce. In addition to the tomatoes chopped afresh, some additional tomato paste will give your shakshuka even more flavor and color. Olive oil is used for frying the garlic and onions. It's the go-to oil in most Middle Eastern dishes. We'll need fresh garlic cloves, crushed or finely chopped. For some heat, you can add fresh chili, chili powder or harissa paste. This is purely optional. To season, we'll use ground cumin, paprika, salt and pepper. There is a link in the description box for a complete list of ingredients and amounts which you can save or print out. Got all the ingredients ready? Let's get started. First, we'll prepare the vegetables. Peel a garlic clove, trim off the ends, crush with a mortar and pestle or finely chop. Peel an onion and finely dice. Deseed the bell pepper and finely chop. The easiest way to do so is by cutting off the top of the bell pepper, removing the core and seeds, and then chopping the bell pepper into fine cubes. Heat olive oil in a large frying pan. Be sure to use a flat skillet, not a wok-style pan. Once the oil is heated, add the crushed garlic and the chopped onions and fry over medium to high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until translucent. Then add the chopped bell peppers to the skillet and fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now reduce the stove to medium heat. Add the canned tomatoes, tomato paste and all seasonings to the pan. Stir well to combine all ingredients and cook on medium to high for about 2 minutes. This is to get the tomato sauce to reach the same temperature as the remaining ingredients. Once it starts to bubble a bit, reduce your stove to low heat. Cover and simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. During this time, the tomato sauce will thicken. That's one of the secrets to a great shakshuka. You should aim for a thick and flavorful sauce before you add the eggs. Use a spoon or spatula to make holes in the gravy. It's important to place the eggs into those holes and not on top of the tomato gravy. The eggs need to touch the base of the pan in order to cook all the way through. Add the eggs one by one. Once you created the first hole, crack the first egg on the side of your pan and place it in the hole. Repeat with the other eggs. Cover the pan and cook the eggs still on low heat for another 8 to 10 minutes. You can adjust the cooking time based on how well cooked you like your eggs to be. Personally, I don't like runny eggs at all and I always want them well cooked, so I simmer my shakshuka for about 10 to 12 minutes. What's important is that you don't flip your eggs while cooking. They will cook all the way through in the tomato gravy and won't burn if you simmer them on low heat. Traditionally, shakshuka is served hot, straight off the pan, optionally garnished with some chopped parsley and feta cheese. Serve with bread and any other breakfast or brunch items of your choice. And that's it, your shakshuka is ready. Sahtain, enjoy!